Good day everyone, welcome back. Today I'm showing you how to transfer Solana from Coinbase to your Phantom wallet, a simple way to take control of your Solana and dive into the Solana ecosystem. First, make sure your Phantom wallet is ready. Download it from the phantom.app as a browser extension or mobile app. It's your choice. Create a new account and wallet and log in or either create a new wallet to log into an existing one. Keep that recovery phrase safe. On the main screen, click Solana and then Receive to copy your Solana address. Next, open the Coinbase app or a website and sign in. Head to your portfolio or assets tab, find your Solana balance. Double check you've got enough Solana to transfer, factoring in Coinbase's small network fee. Hit send next to your Solana balance. Paste your Phantom wallet address into the To field. Triple check it if it's correct, as crypto's unforgiving with typos. Pick the amount you want to send and then tap Continue or Preview to review. Coinbase will show the fee, usually tiny, like 0.3 zeros and 1 Solana, and the total. If it looks good, hit Send Now. After that, open Phantom and watch your Solana roll in. It should show up almost instantly. If it's delayed, check Coinbase's transaction status on or SolScan with your wallet address. First time, start with a small test amount to play it safe. That's it, your Solana's now in Phantom, ready for staking, NFTs, or meme coins. Guys, like and subscribe for more crypto tips. See you next time.